It's going to be grab the panel removal tool provided. You're going to pop this thing off all the way around, pull back, releases just like that. Next step is going to be grab a Phillips head. You're going to see a screw here, go ahead and remove them. Next step, you're going to see two little tabs there. Grab your little fingers, push in, and it'll take it out just like that. After you've taken those tabs off, turn signal should remove. There's a clip here. Push down, it releases. Now go ahead and reinstall. Since we're installing the overlay, go ahead and clean the surface. Let's go and reinstall this. We cleaned off the surface. We're going to remove the backing on the overlays if you also got them. And then you bring it down.